So you started with C++? When did you start?
From school.
It was
It's like
easy,
10th
right?
grade. 10th
That was
grade.
like easy.
Not so easy. Just basic programming.
Lapit lang naman yung simbahan.
We're going to where? Come on.
The big church.
The big church.
Special church.
Very, very.
Saksi ang langit sa...
Okay, Nico.
What kind of fish is it?
I don't know, but it was big.
How long?
I think maybe 90 inches.
90.
Yeah.
What happens to the camera when it keeps restarting?
Naglulos na
Ang
pag nasasagi ng tuhod niya.
saan banda? Dito sa saksakan sa kaliwa.
Nasasagi ng tuhod niya.
Oh no, yeah.
Kaya laging naglulos na kaya.
That's what happens. It's raining hard. Oh no. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Sleepyhead.
Tapos tayo ng bundok.
Pataas pa pala siya lalo ano.
Yung mga trees na ay nasa ano na siya.
Pagaling ano?
Magaling ano?
Nasa bundok ka, nilagyan ng simbahan.
Oh, very special na simbahan. I wish
Sabi nila di ba pag pumunta ka sa simbahan na di mo pa napupuntahan, meron kang 3 wish bago ka pumasok ng pinto. Matagal na siguro sa simbahan na to, ano, di ba?
Parking.
Mayroon na doon anak malapit para hindi na tayo maglakad. Mga seminary at mga ano. Tsaka yung simbahan niya, hindi lagi. Pero kung they open ano, walang masyado. Parang sarado.
Siguro ito ng parkingan? Oo.
Hindi pa pwede dito?
Hindi yata pwede dito eh.
Parang yung mga ano lang.
Ano lang dito?
Yeah,
That's a basketball court.
for recreation.
Decoy, why didn't you bring your basketball? Decoy,
Oh,
why didn't you bring your basketball?
why today?
They're playing ball there. Those are the days.
Jesus.
I didn't say anything, but it's cold. It's darn cold. Let's share the umbrella.
Since when there's a lake there? Yeah, I never saw that. Or is it just flooded? Kuya. Is it just flooded?
Should have worn a different shoe.
Yeah. There's like a pathway down there to the view.
Westminster Abbey.
Is it closed? Did we drive all the way here for it to be closed?
It's freezing.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay.
Is it closed?